So you wanted to get started with the actual Facebook shopping. I'm going to show you how to get started through the process of setting up your own Facebook shop to sell products directly into your Facebook. So let's get started. The very first thing you wanted to do is to access the Facebook Commerce Manager. Inside here, let's go into the facebook.com. Fast forward business, fast forward tools, fast forward commerce manager. Inside here, you're going to go into the Commerce Manager. Now, it's going to be really important that if you don't have an actual account here into the Commerce Manager, it's going to be asking you to create a new one. So you can sell into Facebook and Instagram or even both. Now, it's going to be asking you to set up your Facebook shopping. So into the Commerce Manager, you want to go to click into shops and then create an actual shop. You can follow the prompts to set up a Facebook shop, including the adding the business details, uploading product photos, and setting up payments and shipping options. So here what I wanted to do is to create an actual new shop. You can add physical products to sell, tag and advertise from product shopping, or new to sell and you wanted to try the inventory and order management tools. Choosing the actual category here is going to be just asking you to do like an online store directly into the Facebook shopping, and you can do this process directly inside the Instagram if you wanted to. If you don't, you have to worry about that. Now let's customize the shop and publish. Here's going to be choosing the selected type. Now here you're going to go for products sold online or available locally. I choose online because we don't want to focus into local today. Go for next and upload a product information. You can connect e-commerce platform if you want to, for example, the Shopify, BigCommerce, and so much more. Now in this case, I'm going to go for a business ID. If you don't have one, it's going to be asking you to create a new one, but the process is actually not that hard. Now here, I'm going to go for view my catalog once we actually finished here. I'm going to go for continue with my Facebook account and go for continue, click into the continue button. It's going to be sending us into the Commerce Manager. Now we are here into the Commerce Manager. We have the overview and we have the catalog. This is the part where you wanted to manage your products and your orders. So you can use the Commerce Manager to manage your products and orders by adding your products, to update your inventory, fulfill orders directly through Facebook so you can stay organized and keep tracking your sales directly into the inquiries. For example, let's go here into add items. I go for manual and I go for next. This is the part where I can add all the information about my product. For example, the image, the title, description, the website link, the price, the sales price, the face of product, and so much more. So I'm going to go here into Etsy, and directly here into Etsy, what I want to do is to choose one product that I do have available. So I'm going to go into my shop manager, and I'm going to check out how it actually looks, one product that we have here into the actual listing. So I choose my listing section. I go for inactive or into draft. And here what I can do is to just use those elements to add this directly into my store. I'm going to just do this process and upload my items. If you can add more images. If you don't, that will be actually it. I'm going to go for images and drag and drop something easy. So for example, only this example. I'm going to go for save and upload the image. Now the product is going to be uploaded. So now that we are here, you can stay organized and keep tracking of the sales and customer inquiries. Now that you see here, they have an active product here. So here is my content ID. You can set up here, you can check out the sets. So the sets are going to be helping us to add ads and all the products. Here directly into the issue is going to be telling us if there's something we need to be fixed on. In this case, this is not applicable to our products. And there we're actually good to go. Now let's focus here into shops. And here into shops, we can start selling to shops. When you go here into shops, and this one is going to be sending us directly into the Commerce Manager now of the selling directly into my shop. And I'm going to go into next. I don't use any of these platforms, and we can check another website if you wanted to. Now let's go here for next, and of course choose my account. In this case, it's going to be this one. Once again, if you don't have a Facebook page, it's going to be asking you to create a new one. Now, what catalogs would you like to sell? In this case, I'm going to go for this one. I choose next and add the shipping destination. Usually what I'm going to be doing here is the country I'm currently living. If you're aiming for more countries, I can suggest you to get started first of all with the country you're currently living, and once you make a few sales, then you can move on into more regions and of course gain more popularity. Because today what I wanted to do is to gain our very first sales inside Facebook. So you can see that we have the submitting the shop for the review and the finish the setup. Now it's going to be taking a few seconds to refresh the page, but they are actually going to be really easy. Lastly, when you are approved, you can promote your Facebook shopping. So you can maximize the visibility of your Facebook shopping by promoting it across Facebook and Instagram. So you can create engaging posts, run value ads, encourage your followers to explore your shop, and leverage Facebook advertising tools to reach a wider audience and drive some sales. So lastly, what we need to do is just to verify our actual account in order to get started to sell stuff directly into the Commerce Manager. But it's going to be really easy. You're just going to need to provide stuff about yourself, basic information about your branding, and that will be actually it. Well guys, that will be actually it. With that being said, we have now reached the very end of the video, but don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great stuff about how to get started here into the Commerce Manager. Once again, it's going to be really important, guys, that you need to verify your account. If you don't, of course, this one is not going to be available for you, but before you need to make the verification of the business details, confirm your connection, and upload a few documents to confirm the details for your business is not found. With all of that being said, we can now see you into a brand new video of TechSpress. See you next time.